Right there. So right now, we tuck the window down. So when you're doing this, make sure you get this all tacked down so it doesn't move. Then lift this before you roll the window down. Because if you roll the window down with it like this, it can come down and crease up in there, and you got to do it all over again. So lift it. But no, it's too high. Drop it just a little bit. If you lift it too high, it ain't gonna hurt anything. All you can do is just take this and boom. So here's the cleaning process. I get my spray, my little scrubby pad. I use my stainless steel blade to get the edges. It's my high-tech clay bar, and that cleans the window. And bring it one more time, squeegee it, spray it again. Make sure you get inside of here with your little triangle. Get a rag, get in there too, because they do be dirty on the inside of this. And then you just slide the tint in, squeegee, boom, done. So I just explained the process, so now we'll show you it. But we're gonna spray the window, grab the tint, spray the tint, put the tint in. So you want to see that process from the inside. You always see it on other videos if y'all watch. But yeah, so let's do that. Check on the other side. Make sure you got little light gaps. And we're good. Give it a quick spray. Psst. Now it's gonna move on the first one, but I like to at least squeeze it out and then get it where I really want it before I heat it up. And when you heat it up, that's because you want it to stick before you roll it up, because if you roll it up, it's going to slide. Like I did this Cadillac truck. I did a Cadillac truck. Customer showed me when he rolled the window down, this must have slid or something. I didn't heat it up, so he's bringing it back. We're going to redo that one. Hopefully he gets a little bit darker, but it happens. This squeegee is easier, hard squeegee. Give it a little bit of pressure, not too much. If you're strong as hell, don't push it off. Strong ass. Boom. I want the outside just a little bit so you can see what's going on. Up. Door. Now there is a way to get your edges a little bit closer, and you use like a file and they shave it. It costs more money, and I'm not doing all that. So if that's what you want, you don't have to pay for that. It's not a process, but it does come out clean. But I can do it clean just like this. See? Clean line. Clean, and it's boom. So remember, it came in. It is 35. If we did this right, which I'm pretty confident. Come on, man. Even though I didn't do these windows, I still clean them off anyway. So clean this, clean that, and do the same thing for the other side.